very warm welcome, students. In this video we are going to see how to write classified ads. Classified ads are the easiest to write. You don't have to bother about grammar because you have to write only words and phrases. So let's see how to write classified ads. Classified advertisements. Meaning and purpose of classified advertisements. Classified advertisements are called so as they are grouped into categories or classes according to their subject matter. They are used for promoting sales and purchase of goods and services, to let a property, matrimonial, lost and found, etc. Now let's look at the salient features of classified advertisements. They are categorized into columns. They are written in short, catchy words and phrases. Sentences are not written. Simple, factual, and formal language is used. Short, concise, and to the point. All relevant information is provided in brief. Special offers, discounts, if any, are mentioned. Contact name and address, phone, mobile number, email ID, etc. are given. One may give address and phone number or may give email ID. Matter is put in a box. After writing the matter, a box is drawn. The word limit is 50. Therefore, it has to be short, concise and to the point. Okay, let's see the marking scheme now. Format carries 1 mark. That is, suitable heading and classification carries 1 mark. Content carries 2 marks. Expression carries 1 mark and it is given based on accuracy, spellings, suitable style and selection of words. There are many kinds of classified advertisements: for sale, wanted or required, to let, situation vacant, situation wanted, matrimonial, lost, found. Format of classified advertisement. We start by writing title, then give necessary particulars, and at the end contact address or phone number or email ID or all the three things may be given. And then matter is put in a box as we discussed earlier. How to write sale and purchase ads. Start by writing for sale or available. In case of purchase ads, we start by writing wanted or required as title. Write down particulars of the property, price range and present condition. Location and other facilities if any. Contact address, phone number, etc. For vehicles, specify model, color, accessories, etc. For household goods, mention model, year of manufacturing, condition, expected price. Okay, let's see a sample for sale ad. We start by writing the title for sale and then give all the necessary particulars like newly constructed 3 BHK house at Ashok Nagar, New Delhi, well ventilated, park facing, modular kitchen, parking facility, 24 hours electricity and water supply. Price 75 lakhs. Broker's excuse. Contact Krishna, and then the phone number is given and the matter is put in a box. Another one. This one is a wanted ad. Suppose instead of selling a house, you want to purchase a house. You'll write wanted as title and then mention the kind of house you want to buy. A 2-room flat in a housing society in Ashok Nagar, New Delhi. House should be well ventilated with modular kitchen. Must have parking facility. Price negotiable. Contact Dinesh and the phone number is given. Another advertisement. This is a for sale ad. You may also write available as title. For sale and available mean the same. They serve the same purpose. White Hyundai Santro 2010 model in very good condition, ran 1500 kilometers, can be plied both on CNG and petrol. Price negotiable. Interested persons may contact Suman and then the address and phone number both are given. How to write situation vacant ad. Begin with wanted, required or situation vacant. State the name of the company. Mention the post and number of vacancies. State minimum qualifications and experience desired. Give age, sex and preferential qualifications. Mention pay scale and perks. State clearly the mode of applying. End with contact address, phone number and email ID. Situation vacant. For situation vacant, you may also write wanted as title. Wanted receptionist, preferably female, graduate, fluent in English, pleasant personality, age between 25 to 30 years, salary negotiable. Interested candidates may apply with complete biodata before 31st March to manager, RB International School, Lucknow. How to write situation wanted ads. Begin with available or situation wanted. Mention qualification and experience. Give age, sex, marital status and additional qualifications if any. State the kind of job wanted, preferred locality and timing. Mention salary expected. End with contact address, phone number, email ID. What is the difference between situation vacant and situation wanted? Situation vacant means there is a vacancy and the company or institution needs a candidate. Whereas situation wanted means that somebody is offering himself or herself for a job. So you may alternatively write available as the candidate makes himself or herself available for the job. Let's see its example. Situation wanted. A first class graduate in physics from Delhi University with 7 years experience in teaching in leading international schools seeks a job in or near Mumbai. B.Ed, fluent in English, expected salary 50,000 and then for contact his email ID is given. Thank you.